Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to access LinkedIn Learning through the DC Public Library's Go Digital program. LinkedIn Learning is an online learning platform that contains thousands of classes taught by industry professionals that can teach you how to develop a multitude of different creative and professional skills. Whether you want to learn how to video edit or become better at drawing, or learn how to manage your time, or learn how to speak professionally better. There's probably some kind of course on LinkedIn Learning that can help you develop that skill. So I'm going to preface this by saying that you do need a library card to access any Go Digital program with the DC Public Library. It's easy to get one. You can sign up online. You automatically get an email with your library card number and code, so you don't really have to worry about going in person until you have to. So to access LinkedIn Learning, first you have to go to the Go Digital page on the DC Public Library website. There's the URL up there. So we're at the digital tab, and then we scroll down, and then you see these 4 tabs right here. Watch, read, and listen are all cool, and they do have really cool programs that you can check out later, but today we're going to look at Learn. LinkedIn Learning is not the only program in the Learning tab. We got Mango Languages, there's the Learning Express library, and then a bunch more that you can find here. But today we're just going to click on LinkedIn Learning. You can check out those other things later. It has a little blurb of what it's all about, topics, and things that the LinkedIn Learning app supports, Android and iOS, and you can just do it on your laptop as well. And we're just going to click Visit. And get started. We put in our library card number and our PIN. And yeah, since I've already started using LinkedIn Learning, it isn't showing this, but when you start LinkedIn Learning, it gives you a bunch of different tags and topics that you click on to decide what you're interested in learning, and it filters a bunch of classes and suggests things for you that you might be interested in. Or you could just search for a specific class, and I'm already taking these 2 classes here, learning DaVinci Resolve 16. That is a completely free video editing software, so if you don't have Adobe, you can use that. And Foundations of Fiction. I'm just going to click on Foundations of Fiction to show you the courses. And I'm just going to pause that right here. You can, if you want to take this class, it's there. This teaches you about fiction writing and different ways that you can improve that. And you see all of the lessons are in these videos here, and in this specific class they have writing prompts and things like that to exercise and practice your skills. And this is a pretty common thing for a lot of creative courses, but they do have these outside files, exercise files. For example, this course has worksheets and things like that, but with the DaVinci Resolve course that I'm also taking, it has video files that I take time to edit myself when I'm taking the course. And as for what this class is useful for, honestly, whatever you want. Do you want to learn how to do something for a passion project? You can do it. Do you want to learn something specifically to help you with getting a job or a job that you already have? You can use it for that. LinkedIn Learning has so many different courses, over 16,000, that whatever skill you want to develop, it probably has something pertaining to it that can help you. So yeah, check out LinkedIn Learning with the Go Digital program. You can check out all kinds of other programs that my coworkers will be teaching you about. And yeah, bye and have fun learning!